Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, this is Jan from New York City, and my channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money. So once a week, I like to make what I call a semi-treat. This one I have to share with you. You know what this is? I had a half a box worth. Yes, I work with the half box. Remember my rule of half? Half a box worth of spice cake, boxed cake mix. And that box cake mix I had now since December. I said, it's time to use it up. So what all I did was incorporate a very ripe banana, 3 or 4 little capfuls from the oil bottle of oil, and a half a cup of water to the spice mix. And here I have this good looking banana spice cake. Yeah. I mean, this is all done with just half a box. And I put it in my infamous 8x8 pan. I said, something? Let me share this with you. I didn't want this to be, what they consider a shorts video type thing. So I also want to mention something to you about tonight. So that way it's not considered shorts, because I also wanted to say hi to you guys. Tonight, tune in to a special bonus audio night show. You will not believe what I'm about to tell you on that show. It has to do with pricing, actual pricing that a friend shared with me. Remember once before I got a friend informational type of video? Well, let me tell you something. Tonight's another doozy. You need to turn in. Listen to me. You need to tune in 8 o'clock Eastern tonight to my channel when the audio upload begins. I want to wish everybody an amazing weekend. Look at what you can do. I don't want to hear I can't afford it, because box cake mix is very cheap. You do not have to use a whole box. Remember, I showed you how to do the rule of half with the box cake mixes, and that's just what I did. Perfect for a day like this when you want a little something. You don't want to go too overboard, and you also don't want to make a big mess. And by the way, may I add that I did everything in this pan. So I dumped everything in here, and that's it. Very, very simple. Just saying. Come back tonight. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.